Oh, here we are. Are we? I think we are. Another sunny day in Brock with Timmy Ball, half the man he was. That's quite a long bladed chain. And we've got Rob over there putting the sheets up on that mini barn. I've just mown most of the lawn. We've got some good firewood here. And that little tree, he's going to just quickly knock down. He's got 1 hour before he's got to get back to play with his kids. And he's managed to sneak out. So let's see how he goes. I think we're going to drop it that way. South. So the ash tree there is half the height of the one next to it, because we halved it last year in preparation. So everything's been planned carefully. Let's go and see how he's doing with his wedges. Okay, the wedge is out. And when it will fall down there, over those branches, do you think that wedge is the right shape? Let's hope so. I'm a bit more chicken in my old age. I think I'll stand clear. So that's Tim Ball, distant cousin. Watch out, he's coming this way! Fuck! Oh, that's the end of my shed. At least I all got it on video. Oh well, that's not so good. Oh, fuck. Right, we better reevaluate.